Do you have one of these things? The multi-tool? Ours didn't want to start. I'll show you how I went about fixing it. It's 3 screws, 2 big at the back, one right in the very center, this little guy. Just cut that piece of covering off and you can get at it. And then you can take it off like so. It just pops off. And you can get into the wiring part of it. This little piece right here, which is the switch. Just pull it out of there. That nice little switch. You can take this thing apart, like I did. Here's the switch here. Anyway, there's a set of points in that thing. Take it apart, you take this little pin out, push it from the back side, just push it out, and the thing will pry apart. And take the one wire, and there's a set of points in there, just like the old style points in a distributor in a car. Take them out, take the one side out, file it down, put it back together. And then when you put it back together, it just pops back in that little slot there for it. And you should have a working Dremel tool again. And the other thing I noticed is these little connectors here. They get loose and they kind of jiggle around. This one. There's another one further down there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's there. And another one on this side. Here, let me point the camera in the right direction. They get loose. They're little just spade connectors. And they jiggle around, and it seems to cut in and out for the power. Electricity doesn't go through it. And your brushes just pop out of there. They'll just pull right out. Then you can get at this screw here, this spade bit here. You just pull it out. Just like that. And you can see it's not very big. And it's always, you can see the burn marks on it there, kind of. They need to be pushed in a little tighter. Yeah, anyway. What I did here is I just squeezed that together. Put that in there, squeezed it so it would grab on that wire. Now I just put it all back together and it should run. Okay, now it's all back together. Just those 3 Torx screws. This one here is smaller than the other two. And all back together, and there you have it. Fixed.